junkfoodtaster.com, and it's time that we check out some more products, and I've got 6 of them today. And the first product is this. This is Smartie Mini the puzzle boxes. Alright. Then I also got a marshmallow. Look at this apple peach marshmallow. This is very interesting. Here, Haribo milk bears, new flavor. Then the marshmallow form bananas, whatever it is. Chocolate cookies or cocoa cookies and some pralines. But first things first, I'm most interested in the puzzle. Alright, and here are all the boxes. And let's flip them. And yeah, let's do it. Sometimes it's the same, it seems. And is it completely that I can do what I want? I don't know. I don't really know. It's strange somehow. Anyways, let's open up one of these and eat a little bit. I don't know whether this is serving size. So I eat all of it now. Okay. Yeah. So next product is these marshmallows, which look very awesome. Yeah. M&M, Smarties taste. Alright. And these things smell super fruity, and they sound super funny. Only on my channel. Let's cut it, my friends. This will be a thrill to cut it. I always cut stuff. This looks super awesome. The other one is also really something interesting. The other one as well. And I guess I start eating one of it. It is crispy because it's basically pure sugar at the outside. Very sweet. Not really fruity, a little bit dry. Funny. I know. It's too much. Extreme. Alright. But for direct comparison, let's do the form bananas. It says open here and it features this ape. Open. What? Open, close. Huh? Okay, now I have it. Okay. And you may know the jelly bananas. These are now formed and smell like banana already. Cut one of these. I always cut stuff. Let's have it. Nice. This is fun. Intense chocolate finish. And the boxes. Interesting. It automatically recloses itself. Most annoying thing ever. But has a funny finish somehow. I don't like the finish too much. Anyways, Now, for all you Haribo fans out there, this is Haribo Milk Bears. Oh. What is going on here? Okay, I give up. So the packaging is interesting. Look at this, it looks like aluminium at the inside. And here's the beers, and there are 6 different flavors and all of names. Emma, Emil, Anton, Mia, Ben, and Frida. So let's eat a little bit. Well, let's have a look first. And the detail is sort of there, but yeah, I think you can recognize this. Let's have a green one, which is Ben. No. I'm sorry, I still taste the banana. It's tastes strange. The texture is funny. Sort of elastic meshy. Yeah. It tastes ridiculous. The milk component tastes ridiculous. I don't know. Strange stuff. Anyways, what's left? I think I've reviewed 6 products now. 2 are left. And these are Oh La La, new collection pralines art. As you can see, it's like for fashion, stylers. And this is what I call fancy packaging. Let's get it out. And these are meant to cut. It smells very strange. This looks like 70s style patterns. Always cut stuff. Okay, so it's only, no, there's a fill-in. Okay, everything has a fill-in, alright. I have to eat it, let's do it. This was, I think, Marc de Champagne. What happened to my fingers? Tastes like mushroom. Then there's chocolate no. I think this is this. Yeah. Dark chocolate, very intense. Good. This is good. If you like dark chocolate, very intense mix here, didn't expect it. Now, crème de nougat. Yeah, intense nougat, smoky, nutty. It's good stuff. Yeah. Best product today. Because I know the other things failed. So Smarties was average. The new Haribo flavor was a disappointment. This is a sugar bomb, smells very good, but then in the mouth, pure sugar. Here's this foam bananas, a funny finish, I don't know. Now comes the Othello cookie. These are basically cocoa flavored biscuits. Yeah, nothing to it, straightforward. Here we go. And I do a must cut in. I do a must cut in only for those who stayed all the video to watch 10 minutes junk food taster straight. Bonus content. I always cut stuff. Alright, now let's have it. Yeah, just some cookies. Tastes good, tastes better. I like it more than ordinary cookies. It's like not like Oreo, it's a little bit below. If Oreo is too much cocoa flavor for you, this will be awesome. Medium cocoa flavored biscuits. Okay, it's over. I hope you enjoyed this review. Thanks for watching and see you soon.